Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll cover blockchain development and how beginners can get started in this exciting field. Step 1. Understand blockchain basics. Blockchain is a decentralized technology that ensures secure transactions. The key concepts to understand are blocks, store data; chains, connect the blocks; nodes, distributed computers that maintain the network; consensus mechanisms, ensure data validity like proof of work or proof of stake. Step 2. Learn blockchain platforms. Familiarize yourself with popular platforms. Ethereum, used for decentralized apps, DApps, and smart contracts. Solana, fast and scalable blockchain. Polkadot focuses on interoperability between blockchains. Step 3. Tools and languages. Learn essential development tools and languages. Solidity, for writing smart contracts on Ethereum. Rust and Go, for platforms like Solana and Polkadot. Truffle and Ganache, for testing smart contracts. Step 4. Build projects. Start small with projects like basic Ethereum tokens, a simple decentralized application, DApp. Step 5. Focus on security. Security is vital in blockchain development. Use private keys and encryption for safe transactions. Audit smart contracts to ensure they're secure. Blockchain is growing fast, and by following these steps, you can start your journey as a blockchain developer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.